Just kidding. Probably gonna stick this piece aside somewhere. Make something out of it in the future. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Wasn't planning on doing another pendant, but the way the other one turned out left me with a little scrap, and I thought, why not? So figured I'd make something quick and simple this time, relatively simple, something that I think most of you out there could accomplish if you really wanted to. But next time I'm gonna need your help. Drop a comment below if you notice a little piece that fell off this time. Tell me in the comments section what you think I should make out of it. And I will choose whichever one I think could be fun. Again, thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider. Or if you just thought this video was cool and you want to give it a like and move on, that'd be nice too. It's been fun, but I gotta go. There's a hurricane coming to South Carolina, and I really want to get this video done before the power gets knocked out. Bye.